match, the great final. Once again, Puerto Rico against Haiti. We are seeing a Haiti with a formation of 4-3-3. And Puerto Rico seems to be a 4-1-2-1. Players wild open. We're seeing moving a lot, shaking around, and here we go! Moving the ball from left to right, Puerto Rico in a dark blue, and from right to left, attacking in a red jersey, Haiti. The first throw-in of the match. And great play by Haiti, who are still moving the ball, and watch out with this attack. This is a great opportunity. What a long pass. Now Franco getting inside the area. Franco. Great cut. And a first shot off target. One more time, Haiti.
We'll see.
Yeah, but I think that will be really hard because we have seen only 12 minutes of the match, and we have seen a lot of damage from Haiti. And watch out, getting inside the area. Goal! Jackson Saint-Fort opening the score. What a great goal. Moving around. Beautiful pass, I must say. But what a definition. Leaving the goalkeeper on the back and scoring alone.
Like we said, it will be difficult to Puerto Rico to keep the match 0-0 because Haiti have fast winger, fast forward, have great technique too to make that pass. And like we said,
I think we'll rain some goals too.
Yeah, I said in the pre-match that I think the match will have some goals, but not so much.
Across, great cross. Better on defense. Emerson trying to control that ball. Puerto Rico. It seems to be so hard for Puerto Rico. They're adding some more men. Watch out with number 16. What a shot from Franco, and a great and easy save from Ruben Rosada. Another chance for Haiti. Great job from Franco. He had his teammate Alexander passing by. Watch out this player. What a move.
Great dribbling by Franco. Enter to the area.
Franco Celestin with a beautiful pass. Couldn't get the right definition. Jackson Saint-Fort, who already know what is to score in a final. So close of consecutive years. So now moving, Puerto Rico, they increased the level. If we see a year ago, they lost 4-1. This year only at the moment 1-0, and they can still do something. Now Franco Celestin. Angelo Laurel, still Angelo! For Haiti, Angelo Laurel put it 2-0 to end this match. What a goal from Haiti.
Yeah, great teamwork by Haiti. We see pass to pass and pass again. And Angelo shot with the open net.
Yeah, what a beautiful move. Passing one to another like they were in a practice, and scoring that beautiful goal for Haiti. One more time, Franco Celestin, what a move. Angelo Laurel, Franco Celestin, Angelo Laurel to put it 2-0 for Haiti. And still not over, 5 minutes remaining.
Yeah, still not over, but it's more difficult now.
Puerto Rico, there are more chances to be in. Great shot, but a beautiful save. And first shot on target, first great save for Charledon.
Haiti win the CFU Under 14 Challenge Series 2022. 2 consecutive titles, Haiti. Congratulations to Haiti's players and Haiti fans. and all the Haiti staff. What a tournament for Haiti. 24 goals, I think. They made 0 receiving goals by then and win the tournament invictus. No
Yeah,
losers around.
unbeaten, yeah. So now celebrating Haiti. Congratulations for this second title. So happy. All the boys have a smile on their face. One more time, Puerto Rico. So close. But one more time, they couldn't
And,
get that win.
but still great tournament so far by
Yeah.
Puerto Rico. They was unbeaten too till today, and they made great match. They tried to do something.
And now please receive Haiti under 14 national team. They are going to lift up the trophy. Number 5, Miguel Joseph, captain of this great team. And Haiti are the champions of this Caribbean Football Union 2022.
And the Haiti rise up the trophy of CFU Under 14 Challenge Series 2022 here in Estadio Olímpico, Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. Haiti wins his second CFU Under 14 in consecutive years.
¿Cuál es tu Instagram?